so bright out here. All right, let's go down hole. Hello everybody and welcome back to Home and Garden Contracting, where today we are in a cistern. And we had to do a small little patch right here because the rebar, you can see right here, the little rust bleed knocked off a chunk of concrete about that size. So we had to parge it to make it watertight again, because you can see right here, that's where the water level is. So we want to make sure that that's all sealed up and no contaminants can come into the cistern. But I figured you guys would want to see this little underground world. There's the pump for the cistern, and that pumps all the water into the house, and it pressurizes the house. And there's the pipe going all the way across through the wall into the house. This is probably 6 feet deep because we want to be well below the frost line so it doesn't freeze in the winter. And then over here we have a couple of goodies too. This is a low level alarm, so if the cistern was to ever run out of water, probably about below a foot, because this is my knee, so it's about a foot low, or out of set to a foot, and the alarm would go off inside the house. This is a float for the well, so when it's in this position, the well should be filling up from that guy right there. But it's not going to do that because I currently have it off because I'm in here. But this is where the water comes in from the well. I just had this cut from mixing the cement there. And these used to be pipes that come from down pipes outside off the roof and filled the cistern as well. And down there is an overflow. But I figured I'd just give you guys a little tour of what it's like inside a concrete cistern. This is a 6,000 gallon cistern, so it holds quite a bit of water, and the built-in ladder is nice. There's the outside world. Alright, until next time, take care, take it easy, and I'll see you guys on the next one.